We out here in the rain. We Goproing right now. We still got them hangs on. Still got the do strap on. You feel me? You gotta be dedicated to what's going on. See, we Goproing. We got a little waterfall for you. You know, in the back. It's like we live, but we ain't live. But we kind of digging the style. You did. So make sure you purchase you a good GoPro. Mine just slowed up a little bit. Still, gotta get right. Gotta get you a little jog again. Put some hands on. Don't forget, leave hands. You remember jumping jacks? Y'all used to do jumping jacks. Let's do about 10. Let's see if I can get me some 10 jumping jacks in. Alright. Woo. Alright, ready? We vlogging today, baby. Stretch. Go. Alright, I didn't do that right. Hold on. I probably should get me an instructor. We'll go this way. Make sure you got your hangs on, though. Make sure you hanging. Alright, switch to the other side. Make sure you hanging. If you ain't hanging, you ain't doing something right. We're gonna do a little vlogging today. Relaxation day. Get a little jog in. Good little lap. Test these hangs out. Y'all better get out here and get into some nature. Get you some laps in. With some hangs on and a dew. Hangs. Getting that good jog in. Gotta support them hangs. Just keep running. Take them breaths. Where you at? There you go. Come on, boy, you can do it. Get them feet to the pavement. Yeah, good relaxing day. Good day to vlog. Good day to be stress free. If you ever feel like you tired, you gotta keep going. You can't give up. You gotta go all the way to the max. That's how you build that endurance up. Yeah. In your hands. If you want to release your dew strap, you just take it off and your hair should still be in position. Especially if you got some hang time. I ain't trying to break my neck now. After I jog, come back in my hangs, do 10 there. Yeah, you did. After you get you 10 in, we back on the GoPro now. And after you get you 10 good push-ups in, get you a couple jumping jacks in. You know, we're not the fitness trainer, but we fit a little bit. Just a little athletic in case we had to do, you saw them push-ups right there, you know, in case we had to get deep in the sheets. But you know, make sure you jog and also make sure you hang in your hands. Breathe. You did. Don't get you right. Stay nice and tight. Man, show me some love. Now, I know for a fact, y'all seen me get out here. It was wet. It was raining. Click that like button. Click, you know, comment. Let me know what you doing in the morning. Do you get up, go jog? Do you even get up and wash your face in the morning? What do you do when you wake up, when you rise and shine? Do you get fit? Now the body is the temple. So you know you gotta make sure you taking care of that. If you ain't taking care of that, you ain't gonna get no wet. Like these raindrops. You did in your hands. Boxer. Briefs. Like me. You did. Yeah, it's pretty. I just like to be outside. Can't never say I ain't outside. Successful dads, we gotta be outside. That's how we make things happen. Yeah, you know, I did a nice little job. I'm finna go get us a smoothie. Shout out to Smoothie King. I'm finna get us a good smoothie real quick, so we can make sure we got some good vitamins in our system. Good immune boost. You know. But yeah, ride with me. Let's go. Smoothie. You see the sun out, you know, you pray to God. Rain, go away, come back another day. You know? See, I'm dedicated to this. Excuse the BBB. You know, I ain't got the seatbelt on right now. But, you know, make sure you wear your seatbelt. I'm gonna put mine on to be safe. How it's supposed to be. You don't want to get no tickets. But like I was saying, you know, you pray, send one up, rain, go away. Go ahead and jog, and still come back another day. You do what I'm saying? Make sure you get whatever content. And I could've went back to the house. I could've been like, man, get out there in that rain. I could've did all that. But nah, I wanted to make sure I was able to get some footage for you all. So, you know, you can see that I'm really dedicated to this. And I'm dedicated to pleasing you all. And you know, if you're a successful dad, then I hope you out here jogging as well as me. But you gotta be in shape. Like I said on the previous video, just in case your kids try you one day, you gotta keep your wind up. So stay fit, no discrimination, all that. I ain't talking about shit. Just stay fit. Yeah. If you don't stay fit, then you can't get up. You did. Yeah, man, we just vlogging. She wanted to bring y'all with me. From the link below, we will receive a small percentage from the Amazon link for these Hanes briefs. Below. Thank you.